A coffee roaster sells 12-ounce bags of their coffee for $15. They estimate the price-demand equation for their coffee beans as X equals F of P equals 10,000 minus 250P. Find when the demand is unit, inelastic, and elastic, and if they increase prices, will revenues increase or decrease? Okay, so we have this equation, and we'll write down the elasticity of demand, E of P, equals negative P F prime of P divided by F of P. So in order to find the elasticity of demand, we need to find F prime of P. So F prime of P is equal to negative 250, which means that E of P equals 2 minus, we'll write it out, minus P times negative 250 divided by 10,000 minus 250P, which is equal to 250P divided by 10,000 minus 250P. So the easiest way to find when demand is unit, inelastic, and elastic is to find unit demand. Unit demand is when the elasticity of demand is equal to 1. So 250P over 10,000 minus 250P. We solve this, multiply both sides by 10,000 minus 250P. That's equal to 250P, which means 10,000 equals 500P. And so P equals 10,000 divided by 500, which is 20. So we have unit demand when P equals 20. When the elasticity of demand is between 0 and 1, that's called inelastic. And so that's going to happen when 0 is less than P is less than 20. Inelastic. Elastic. And then in order to figure out where the demand is elastic, we know that 20 is less than P, but we know there's some maximum P, right? And the maximum P is going to be when you put in a price and X is 0. So when X is 0, the maximum P I can see from this is going to be 40. So this is elastic. Now remember, inelastic means that an increase in price is going to cause revenues to increase. An elastic demand is when an increase in price is going to cause revenues to decrease. Price right now is $15, which is inelastic, which means that if they increase prices from $15, revenues are going to increase.